Solar is a great way to take advantage of renewable energy and reduce your carbon footprint. Adding solar to your home is a big project, and there are plenty of things to ask your contractor first. Let's see what they are. If you're thinking of installing solar panels on your home's roof, you may have seen TV commercials or even spoken to contractors who offer a home solution. You may find the details of solar installations to be a little complicated. Like with any significant home improvement project, rooftop solar is a major investment. Hi, I'm Carrie with EPB, and we've put together a list of questions you should ask your solar contractor before you get started. Let's learn more from a leading solar expert on the EPB Energy Pros team, John Watts. Hi, John.
Hi, Carrie. How are you?
I'm good. John, let's just jump right in here.
Okay.
So what is the very first question that you should ask your contractor?
Okay, number one question. What are my upfront costs? Do I have a down payment? And what's the total cost going to be for this project?
Okay. Let's say I have chosen to finance my installation. What should I know?
First thing I would want to know is you need to find out what's my interest rate, because that's important. How long is the term of my loan? You know, we're seeing loans up to 25 years and as much as 26% interest. Look at multiple financing companies. There's local financing companies. You don't have to always use your solar company's financing.
So with the loan, you have a monthly payment. That monthly payment essentially replaces my energy bill from EPB, right? Is that correct?
No, that's not exactly true, Carrie.
Okay.
When you have solar, you know, your solar is producing when the sun's out and it's slowing down your meter and it's offsetting some of your electricity. But when a cloud comes over, you know, that solar can't produce. And that's why we're here at EPB. When that cloud's coming over and your solar's not producing, we're there to provide you with the extra power you need to run your entire house.
So I guess I should ask my contractor then if their no energy bill claim means that I'll be off the grid. Right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Because if they're claiming to take you off the grid, then EPB's not there as your backup. So you need to make sure you have plenty of battery capacity to run all the appliances, your air conditioning, and it takes a lot of batteries to do that, so it's very hard to get off the grid without having to tie to EPB's grid.
So how much power will my installation generate then?
Okay, that's another good question, and it varies. It depends on what size system you put in. If you put in a 5 kW system, you're going to produce less than if you put a 10 kW system, but it's important to have your solar installer contact EPB so we can help them size that installation correctly, because you don't want to put more on your roof than you need.
So battery storage is important then, right?
Yes, it is, because if you're considering putting battery along with your solar panels as part of the project, then you and your solar installer need to contact one of the EPB Energy Pros so we can help you identify how much battery storage you need based on what your home uses.
Okay. And is that battery storage included?
Sometimes it is and sometimes it isn't, so that's a question to ask, because the battery is an extra charge above the solar panels, so you need to find out if it is included in your total package.
All right, so this is great information, especially because this is such a big investment. Is there anything else to consider?
Yeah, if you live in a subdivision, very important, you need to look at your covenants, because a lot of subdivision covenants will not allow you to have solar on your roof. Some of them will, but they say it has to be on the back of your house. If the back of your house is facing a direction other than south, then it's probably not a good fit for your home, but that's really important to check with your restrictions of your subdivision.
That is really helpful, because that's not something I think everybody would think to check with. So how can we make sure everything we need is included in a contractor's estimate?
That's where we can help you here at EPB. You can contact one of our Energy Pros, and we're happy to look at your evaluation that your solar contractor has given you.
That's fantastic. That's why they're called pros, right? To answer all of the questions that we might have, right? All right, well, thank you so much, John. Well, you heard it. Ask the right questions and make sure a solar installation is right for you. And if it turns out that it's not, there are other ways you can go solar. One of the easiest ways is joining our Community Solar Share program. For as little as $5 per month, you can adopt a solar panel from our array on Holtzclaw Avenue. The clean solar energy produced by your panel will be applied to your bill each month, and we'll be glad to help you calculate how many panels it will take to offset your entire home's energy use. You can also use Solar Share to offset special events like a wedding or business conference. Whatever option you decide is right for you, rooftop panels, Solar Share, or something else, our Energy Pros will help you carefully consider all of your options to determine the best solution for you. We'll even review contractor estimates and offer helpful advice before you buy. It's completely free. All you have to do is give us a call. And be sure to watch our other video in this series, Is Your Home Ready for Solar, for more insight into rooftop solar. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.